Guys, it's a new tutorial about the TikTok app. Check it to the very end to know how to manage speed for your TikTok video. Let's open the TikTok application, guys, and let's create a new TikTok after tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. I want to upload some video from my gallery and choose this one. Let's click on the next to confirm changes, and this is my new TikTok. So how to correct its speed? We need to go to the edit mode here, which is the first of the right bar. And guys, we have our video here. Let's click on it to get access to the speed option. We can, without no troubles, manage it manually, dragging the selector to the right or left side. For example, manage 2 times speed. And remember that the video will be shorter then. But if you want to customize your speed, your video speed, you need to pick on this curve feature. And if you have the CapCut application installed on your device, you can open it right now, and TikTok will open the same video on the CapCut. And right now the speed option is activated and open it. We can activate some customized speed up options. For example, this one, or this one, or this one. But if you want to make it manually, to customize this speed feature manually, let's tap on the custom option and click on the edit. After dragging the dots, you can create a new speed for your video and make it personalized, make it make it very interesting. This effect will help you to play with your TikTok, with your videos, and make them just unicum. If you want to check the result, let's tap on the play icon here. Okay, for example, I want to do it like this. Okay, let's set this custom speed after tapping on the check mark here. And well done, guys. Let's tap on the post feature here at the top panel, and wait some time before the exporting. Sorry, I have another language of my phone. Here I got the notification that my video was smoothly saved and switched to the TikTok. So if I like this result, I can pick on the next button or edit it using other TikTok options without any restrictions, sorry. And after, I can post it to the story or to the usual post on my profile. Also, let's save it to the draft. If you like this cool trick how to customize the speed of your TikTok video, don't forget to like our tutorial below and subscribe to our channel to get more info about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye, guys. Good luck.